Why do PC games crash to desktop? Have you ever been in the middle of an intense gaming session, only to have your game suddenly crash to the desktop? It can be frustrating, right? Let's break down why this happens and how you can troubleshoot it. PC games crash to the desktop mainly because the game or system encounters an error it cannot recover from. This forces the game to close unexpectedly. There are several reasons behind these crashes, often related to hardware and software issues. First, let's talk about hardware limitations or failures. If your computer hardware does not meet the game's minimum requirements, you might experience crashes. This includes having insufficient central processing unit power, inadequate random access memory, or an underpowered graphics card. Overheating components like the central processing unit or graphics processing unit during intense gaming can also lead to crashes. If your power supply unit cannot provide enough power to your graphics card or other components, this can cause the game to shut down as well. Additionally, faulty or improperly seated hardware can create instability during gameplay. Next up are driver issues. Outdated or corrupted graphics card drivers are a common cause of crashes. Games relying heavily on these drivers for rendering graphics. If there are incompatibilities or bugs in the drivers, the game may close unexpectedly. Other outdated drivers, like motherboard chipset or network drivers, can also contribute to crashes, especially in online games. Software conflicts and corruption can also lead to crashes. Corrupted game files or missing system files can cause the game to malfunction. Background programs or services may conflict with the game, resulting in crashes. Running a clean boot can help identify these conflicts. Sometimes, antivirus or malware software might mistakenly block or interfere with game processes. Incorrect or corrupted registry entries or dynamic link library, files related to the game can also cause instability. System settings and overclocking are additional factors. Overclocking your central processing unit or graphics processing unit beyond stable limits can lead to crashes during high-load gaming. Misconfigured settings in the basic input-output system or unified extensible firmware interface related to power management can also cause instability under load. Lastly, network issues can affect online games. An unstable or slow network connection can lead to crashes or abrupt disconnections. To prevent or fix crashes, there are practical steps you can take. Make sure your computer meets or exceeds the game's recommended specifications. Keeping all drivers, especially graphics card drivers, up to date is essential. Verifying game file integrity and applying all game patches or updates can help as well. Monitoring system temperatures and improving cooling if overheating occurs is also a good idea. Checking your power supply capacity and upgrading if necessary can prevent power-related issues. Running malware scans and disabling conflicting background programs can improve stability. If you suspect overclocking or misconfiguration, resetting your basic input-output system or unified extensible firmware interface settings to defaults may help. Lastly, performing a clean boot can isolate software conflicts. In the world of PC gaming, crashes to the desktop often indicate that either the system or software environment is struggling to handle the game's demands. By focusing on hardware health, driver updates, and software integrity, you can maintain stable gaming performance and enjoy your gaming sessions without interruptions.